Speak Reddit killed GummySearch. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash 10,000 founders lost their pipeline overnight. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash this survived. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash November 2025. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash Reddit denied GummySearch a commercial API license. $35,000 monthly revenue. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash gone. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash Redreach is what replaced it. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash I'll be straight with you, I ran this for 3 weeks and it genuinely moved the needle. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash Reddit threads rank on Google. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash Redreach finds those threads. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash drop a comment, it pulls organic traffic for months. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash you're in Google search results without a website. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash tried Reddit outreach? Comment below. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash paste your URL. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash add up to 3 competitor URLs. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash Redreach maps every phrase your buyers type. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash it also tracks competitor complaints in real time. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash that's your buying signal. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash starter. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash $19 a month. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash growth. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash $39. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash professional. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash $79. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash no subscription? $12 one time for a 3-day pass. 48-hour refund guaranteed. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash subreddit signals scores intent across 7 dimensions, better for B2B. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash Redreach has unlimited scans, no token caps. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash volume play. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash Redreach. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash precision play. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash subreddit signals. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash real flaw. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash no intent detection. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash just keyword matching. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash you'll sort through 50 posts to find 3 worth replying to. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash no integrations, no HubSpot, no Slack. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash score. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash 7 out of 10. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash solo B2B founders. Break time equals end quote, 300 ms end quote slash this is your tool. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash what's your current lead gen stack? Tell me below. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash link in the description. Break time equals end quote, 600 ms end quote slash subscribe for daily AI tool reviews /speak.